Welcome to this channel, guys. This is the strategy that I've been trying to explain in the past days. I'm not sure if you have been following this channel, but I tried to share this idea. I'm going to show it to you even today. So this is it, guys. I discovered that it works even better on news, okay, during news release. And today there were quite a lot of news. Let me just show you. There were quite a lot of news today, so I've been able to find quite a lot of entries. Let's just jump to that idea, guys. The main idea that I've been using there is that, remember what I've been saying, that if you see that price is moving in a certain direction, okay, let's say this is a trend line. If you see price break out of that trend line and begin to move upwards, what you do is that you mark this region where price broke out, and you can even mark slightly above that region where price broke out, because if price begins to come back, or sure enough price somewhere is going to reverse and come back to test this area where it broke out. That's it, guys. It's not complicated, it's easy. Let me just explain it once more. Let's say price is moving upwards like this, and this is sort of like a trend line, and then you see price breaking through the trend line and then beginning to move downwards. What you do is that you mark this area, you identify this area, because sure enough at some point price is going to reverse and then come back to test this region. What happens during the news is just a speed up of the process. So let's say price was slowly moving upwards, and then remember this is your trend line, and then during the news release you see a spike to the downward direction. What you have to do, remember you identify the area where price broke out. What you have to do, wait for or switch to a smaller time frame, and then you wait for a reversal pattern down here. You don't even have to find a snipper entry. You can let price begin to come back, and somewhere right here you enter your trades in the opposite direction, and you put your target somewhere towards where price broke out. So that is what you do. See, price will definitely come back towards this region where it broke out. It's only on rare occasions where price is going to continue downwards forever. All you have to know are the reversal patterns. Once you see that price is already pulling back, just identify the area where price is going, and then you enter trades towards that direction. If we can look at your real charts, let's just pick. I think I should be closing here. Let's just pick. If you can look at what happened right here, price was on an uptrend. Price was on an uptrend, and then it broke out, spiking down, and then I knew that price would come and test somewhere at this region. So when price was down here, I entered the buy trade, and you can see that price came to test right there where there was the breakout. Okay, let's just pick another one at random. Let's take any pair. So this is the same thing, guys. This is the same thing. If you can look at what happened right here, price broke out, and when price was beginning to reverse right here, you can even see that I entered almost late, entered the sell trade there, because I knew that price would come and test right here where it broke out. So that's it, guys. Let's pick another pair at random. let's say this one. Okay, so what happened right here, price was on an uptrend. Okay, you can see that price was on an uptrend. Let me just switch to the 5 minutes time frame. So right here you can see that price was somewhat on an uptrend, and somewhere here it broke out during the news release, spiking downwards. And then when I saw these rejections, I knew that price would reverse and come to test this region where it broke out. So that's the thing that happened. Price rejected and went back. Let's just take the last one at random. Okay, let's just take this one. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, again it's the same thing. Price was on an uptrend like this, and then right here, somewhere right here, price broke out to the downward direction. During the news release, price was pushed even faster, and right here there were rejections, and I entered the buy trade knowing that price would come at least to this region. This thing is easy. Maybe one thing that I can add, guys, that is very, very important. You need to have this thing. You need to set up trading view on your mobile phone, guys. It helps a lot in identifying the places where certain currency pairs move, because it's not always that you're supposed to be trading, guys. So trading view will help a lot. I'm going to talk about it in a separate video. And remember, the other thing, you have to identify the right pairs that you are supposed to be trading. Select a pair that you understand. And lastly is the target, what I explained right here. You have to know how to identify the place where price could be going. It's just the same thing that I've been explaining. Right now, this is the target. If price is moving up, you know that it is coming to reach this region where it broke out. So please take up some time and practice. See if you can be able to find the entries for yourself. Otherwise, I wish you the best.